Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to replace your damaged or expired ScotiaCard. Open the website, then click Sign In. To sign in, enter your username or card number. Then enter your password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Manage My Accounts at the upper right part of the screen. Click on Manage My Account. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Replace or Change ScotiaCard. Click on Replace or Change ScotiaCard. Now first, review your mailing address. Your new card will be sent in that address. Then below it, you will see a section for Replace My Current Card. Beside it is a tick box. Click on the tick box beside regular ScotiaCard with Visa Debit. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, review all the information at the screen. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you replace your damaged or expired ScotiaCard. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.